How to check message requests on Messenger. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to check the message request on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger application on your device. Now once you are logged in, tap on the menu icon right here, tap on it. Now you will see the option message request right here. Tap on message request. Now tap on not now for now. Now you will see the message request right here. You can also tap on spam to see the message request right here. If you don't receive your message in the chat right here, you can just go to menu and tap on message request and see the message requests from here. Now once you see the message request, tap on the request and you will get three options: request, accept, decline, and report, something like that. Just tap on accept and their message request will be accepted and it will be shown in the chat right here. And that's it. This is how you can check the message request on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.